Amen. Lord, help me, Father. I'm asking for light in the service. Where does the money come from? This much money. This much money. I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy. Why is that so? It's the word. Others. Come class, come forward. Let's say you're walking. You're just walking. You're walking. German, all places. This much money. Let us count the money. What is this money for? What is this money for? What are you giving me the money for? You hear this? It's mine. When you fix yourself in your heart and fix yourself and fix yourself, by fixing yourself, you fix yourself the way you go, the way you sleep. You see me as I'm here. I'm not embarrassed. There is no sideways that I'm taking. My life is here. I'm married, I have a wife, she's there at home. When you fix yourself, people take it lightly. Even your ancestors, they come closer. When you fix yourself, luckies will follow you. When you fix yourself, you'll be a light even in your family home. When you fix yourself, how many people have been thankful here at home? Thankful for cars. They are thankful for jobs. You've seen on Sunday praying for people. A person said, I entered pain. The pain left as you prayed. Do you know what is why? It's because the angel of the prophet is not dirtified. It works relieved at work. Two ways. You're going two ways. When you want your things to be straight, you must be straight as well. be a father, and be a man, be a young man. Because women, they will never take you anywhere. You will never build your father's home. If you go with women, they will trick you. Not all. Even you will be tricked. In this journey, Mother, this money. You are giving me this money.
Okay. Hey, I'm asking you
10,000.
10,000 rand. Look.
Mama, you must go now, Mama.
We're from the office.
Where can I?
My child. To be stingy in God's house doesn't work. I just took out money inside. I took out of my own pocket. Not a church's pocket. The truck left to buy food. Here are the women that I was with. Right now, I started taking out money from where?
Monday.
From Monday. When you give an offering with your heart, or go to your family altar with all your heart, you will get answers. You see now, I took out money, buy people food. Now this money came back again. It's multiplied. When you work for God truthfully, when your altar, go to the family altar with the truth. When you come in, truthfully, don't look at the person. Do what you are sent by your family. Don't look at anyone here. We are not called the same way. Look here. Money entered. 10,000 rand. The question says, who can just take out 10,000 rand? Come to me. Modimo le Hodimo le lefatshe. Ke yona monielo Ntate. Ke wena mona Modimo. Monielo wa hae. Ha o tle o le mongata. O tswa pelong. Ha o bule tsohle tse di mo fileng. Tsa lapa la hae. Tsa hae ka boyena. Ke a hlonolofatsa lapa lena Modimo. Ke a leboha Modimo le Hodimo le lefatshe. Ha o tla o menamena hae. O tla o menamena hae. O hlonolofatse Ntate. O hlonolofatse Modimo. Lentswe la hao ha le boele morao. Lentswe la hao ha le boele morao. Modimo o hlonolofatse.
Isso se aceitezelwa. Izulu liyasejezelwa.
Look at me, my priest.
Nithi mina mfundisi.
I'm saying priest.
Ubani umfundisi ongaphiwa nje u-10,000?
What priest can be given just 10,000 rand?
10,000.
10,000 rand.
But in Isilungu.
In English.
All things are possible in God. I'll tell you.
When you trust in God.
Ngiyabonga Baba.
I woke up in the morning. I went to the bank. To the bank of our cloud.